I am so excited today because I have a special announcement to make. Hey guys, and welcome to another video. I am so excited today because I have a special announcement to make. It's my birthday. It's my birthday today. Today is my birthday, okay? And I also want to say thank you guys because we have reached 500 subscribers. As a matter of fact, 525 subscribers to the channel. So thank you very, very much. Super excited that we have reached that milestone. But guys, I do have a birthday request and I have a goal that I would like to accomplish before the end of 2020. Let's make it to 1,000. Let's make it to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. I think we can do it. I know we can. With your help, please guys, like, share, comment on the videos. I would really, really love for us to be at 1,000 by the end of this year, end of 2020. Let's end this year with everything that it had. Let's end it on a high note. That's what I want to do. That's my goal. And I have so many creative ideas and things that I want to make and put out there for the channel. Help us out with growing to 1,000 by the end of this year. And don't forget, happy birthday to me. Testing.
Subscribe to me.